Finding physical classes or in-person training specifically dedicated to affiliate marketing might be a bit challenging, as this field is primarily conducted and taught online due to its digital nature. However, you can explore various options to learn about affiliate marketing that might have offline components or be available locally. 1. Local workshops and seminars. Look for marketing workshops, seminars, or training sessions conducted by marketing professionals or organizations in your area. While they might not focus exclusively on affiliate marketing, they often cover digital marketing strategies, which include affiliate marketing techniques. 2. Community college or continuing education programs. Check out community colleges or adult education programs that offer courses in digital marketing, online business, or e-commerce. While not specifically labeled as affiliate marketing, these courses might cover relevant concepts. 3. Local business networking groups. Attend business networking events, meetups, or groups in your area. Connecting with marketing professionals or entrepreneurs might lead to discovering local resources or classes related to affiliate marketing. 4. Marketing agencies or consultants. Some marketing agencies or consultants offer training sessions or workshops related to digital marketing strategies, including affiliate marketing. Reach out to them to inquire about any upcoming classes or training programs. 5. Local libraries or small business centers. These institutions sometimes offer free workshops or resources for small businesses, which might include sessions on online marketing or digital business strategies. While physical classes specifically dedicated to affiliate marketing might be limited, you can also consider online courses and resources. Websites like Udemy, Coursera, or LinkedIn Learning offer numerous online courses on affiliate marketing that you can access from anywhere, providing flexibility and comprehensive learning materials.